What is up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to change your lift support, so that happened to me will not happen to you. So first you have to take off the little metal piece that is holding the lift support. If you can see right here, I'm gonna try to take it off now. Just like that. Then the one in the top. Just like that. Now you can just pull it out from here. Make sure that you hold the whole hood because it's gonna fall in your face. Just like that. So now we can replace the new one. So mine's already came with the metal piece, as you can see. But if yours didn't came with it, then you have to put the old one, just like that. So very simple. Just gonna put it, and you're gonna push it, and same thing on the top. Just like that. Then we are gonna do the same thing on the other side. Please don't mind my engine bay. I'm gonna clean it in another video. So same as the other one, you take the metal piece off, like that, and then the one in the top. Like that, and then you hold the hood and you can take it off. And put the new one. There you go. So now it's not gonna fall in your face. Like magic. So as always, please like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one.